In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an estimate using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or handling massive client projects, sending accurate estimates is a vital part of securing jobs and maintaining professional relationships. Let's dive right into it, starting with logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page by typing in this URL, qbo.intuit.com. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. After logging in, your next step is to locate the plus new button. This can easily be found on the left-hand menu of your QuickBooks Online interface. Clicking this button will open a menu filled with a variety of options to explore. From this list of options, you'll want to look under the Customers section and select Estimate. This will open up a form specifically designed to input all necessary details of your estimate. Now, before you start filling out this form, you must first choose the customer you are creating the estimate for. If they are an existing customer, simply select their name from your list of customers. However, if this is a new client you haven't yet added to your system, click Add New to input their details and create a new customer profile. Next, it's time to dive into the specifics of the estimate. You'll begin by entering the date of the estimate. This is important because it determines when your estimate is valid. Following this, outline the product or service items that the estimate covers. For each item, make sure to specify the quantity required and the price per unit. Taking the time to fill these fields out accurately will ensure that your estimate is as precise as possible. In addition, there is an optional section where you can add terms or notes, providing extra detail that might be useful for your customer. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, it's time to preview your work. By clicking on Print or Preview, you can take a moment to check the formatting and details. It's important to ensure that everything appears in order on the estimate. If everything looks good, proceed to the final step, sending the estimate. Simply click Save and Send. A prompt will appear asking for the recipient's email address. Enter this information and feel free to include a personal message explaining any details that might need special attention. After verifying the email and message, go ahead and click Send. Finally, to keep track of your estimate's progress, navigate to the Sales menu, click on Customers, and then select Estimates. Here, you'll find the status of the estimates you've sent, whether they are pending, accepted, or closed. This tracking feature is incredibly helpful for staying on top of your workflow and following up with clients as needed. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating and sending estimates in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your business transactions smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more QuickBooks features in our next session.